You must have one friend in your life. If you don't have it, when we are praying, pray, because something is wrong. Hallelujah. Many of us don't have friends. Check if you have quality people in your life. I'm praying for you. May you never lack an ear to hear when you are in trouble, especially if you are a man of God. Loneliness has killed many people because they do not have anybody they can confide in. They are afraid of everybody around them because they do not even know who to trust again. This is one of the problems of great people. They have gone through enough wounds and betrayal. They just believe that everybody is out to destroy them, but it is not true. There are still honest people, there are still godly people, there are still good people, there are still friends that stick closer than brothers. May you be one, and then may you find one.